Here is the setup. A Google Sheet is already connected, and the sales orders, returns, and supporting tabs are available inside Anomaly. Now I am asking for the weekly sales report I would want before a sales meeting. Trend, sales, profit, orders, returns, and where the team should look first. I am compressing the build step here. The useful part is that the spreadsheet turns into a reviewable weekly dashboard instead of another manual spreadsheet summary. Here is the finished dashboard. It is organized around the weekly sales meeting, not just a pile of charts. The first view is the weekly sales trend. This is the anchor for the report. Are sales moving up, down, or uneven week to week? Then it puts orders and average order value next to each other, so you can tell whether a sales change is volume or deal size. The category view separates sales from profit. That matters because a high sales category can still be a weak margin story. The region view makes the meeting more specific. Instead of asking whether sales are good overall, you can ask which region needs the follow-up. Returns get their own view too. For a weekly report, that is the difference between celebrating sales and noticing revenue that may come back. And this is the part I would use in the meeting. The first areas to inspect with sales, profit, orders, returns, and margins side by side. That is the Google Sheets workflow. Connect the sheet, ask for the weekly report, and leave with the first list to inspect.